Welcome to this video on DNA testing. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, the hereditary material found in all living organisms. It contains the genetic instructions for an organism's development and functioning, which are passed from one generation to the next. DNA profiling is a forensic technique used in criminal investigations, parentage testing, immigration eligibility, and medical research. The testing process involves four main steps: extraction, quantitation, amplification, and capillary electrophoresis. While most genetic tests take 24 to 72 hours, the time from crime scene collection to identification can take up to 14 days. Evidentiary clue materials for DNA testing include blood stains, semen, hair, saliva stains, body tissues, post-mortem samples, fetal materials, and blood samples in paternity cases. Liquid blood, including liquid blood found at a crime scene, is also a key material. Thank you for watching this video.